Kim works full-time and cares for her aging mom. Her days were spent doing housework, helping mom with personal care, making appointments, arranging in-home help, managing medications, running errands, and driving mom to all her medical appointments. Kim was exhausted and overwhelmed, and she worried about how to pay for mom's increasing care needs. Then Kim discovered Unlock PACE, a program of all-inclusive care for the elderly. Unlock PACE meets mom's needs all under one program. With Unlock PACE, she has a care team of professionals. They work together to coordinate and deliver mom's health and care needs. Mom's team includes her doctor, nurse, social worker, physical therapist, occupational therapist, dietitian, dentist, activity therapist, home care coordinator, caregiver, and transportation driver. Mom's team makes sure she has the care, medical supplies, medications, equipment, and social enrichment she needs for overall well-being. Kim met with an Unlock PACE enrollment representative. She learned that the program is both a health plan and a healthcare provider combined. Mom qualifies because of her age and she lives in the service area. She needs help with mobility, transfers, and personal care. Mom can live safely in the community, such as her own home, and she agrees to receive her health and personal care from Unlock PACE. Best of all, Unlock PACE covers all Medicare and Medi-Cal services, plus more. And there are no deductibles, co-payments, or co-insurance for any care and services approved by the care team. Now, Kim can relax and enjoy her time with mom. The Unlock PACE care team handles all the details. Is Unlock PACE right for your family? Find out. Call today at...
And Bandhajan, it's time right now for us to be bringing you our Dial an Expert segment, यानी कि हमारा fun-formational segment right here on the show, where we bring you different subject matter experts who can add value to our lives. And there's this wonderful program, especially which adds a lot of value to the quality of life of seniors here in the Bay Area. Our parents, our elderly grandparents, our relatives, or if you're a senior about the age of 55, this is something that you want to pay close attention to. This program is called the Unlock PACE program. And you've been listening to it on our radio, and आपको हमारे ads भी आप सुनते आ रहे हैं, and आपको तो मालूम हुआ होगा अभी तक कि the overall what this program does. But to talk to us a little bit more about specific services within the program, we've been bringing you different subject matter experts, and today we're bringing back somebody who's been with us once before, and that is of course Ms. Rachna Java. Rachna ji, namaste, how are you?
Namaskar, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. How are you doing, Kishan and Kavita?
Perfect. Thank you so much. And today, of course, we if you listen to today's segment, Banuja, you'll understand why it's important to have dietitians in your life and to know people like Rachna ji and how they advise. Even before the segment started, she was giving us advice about dieting and everything. Or rather, I would say dieting about diet.
Yeah.
She never said about dieting. She said talk about diet. And that's what it is all about. And today, hopefully, we learn more about it and how it actually can impact the lives of our seniors, right? And who actually are in the program. If you have a senior who's in your house, you're taking care of them, and if you want to actually do a better job at taking care of them, definitely contact Unlock PACE program. How do you do that? By that the number on top here, you see the number there. It's 855-308-0195, 855-308-0195. Call them and talk to them. आप उनसे पूछ सकते हो. अगर आप अंग्रेजी में फ्लुएंट नहीं है, आपको हिंदी में बात करनी है, तो हिंदी वाले मिलेंगे आपको on that line. Same with Punjabi or Gujarati. There are multiple languages you can actually ask for, and there will be a person representing who can talk to you in that language and get you information about this program as well. लेकिन आज हम लोग एक dietitian के बारे में बात करेंगे, about the role of a dietitian in the whole interdisciplinary team of Unlock. So Rachna ji, who better than you telling us about it? Tell us, what does your job at Unlock involve?
So I work as a dietitian with Unlock PACE program, and my role at Unlock is to be part of the interdisciplinary team to meet the nutritional needs of our seniors. Whoever joins our program get all their facilities under one roof, and dietitian is one of the part of that.
So जो अभी हमें पहली बार सुन रहे हैं and they heard this word interdisciplinary team or this phrase, उनको थोड़ा समझाएंगे कि interdisciplinary team क्या होती है?
So yeah, we call it IDT, interdisciplinary team. जिसमें क्या होता है कि it's comprised of different team members, including the doctors, nurses, physical therapist, occupational therapist, our activity program, dietitian, and transportation. So ये सब members हमारे मिल के इकट्ठे होकर एक patient की care के बारे में बात करते हैं. So IDT team is what is the main thing at Onlock, which helps understand about our seniors in a way that we are able to provide a care for our senior.
Wow, like an army of people standing by with you. That's
Yes.
no, that's the way I look at it, because मैंने काफी सारे मेरे बंधु लोग जो हैं जो हमें बात किए हैं कि when they talked about getting into the program, they were very pleased with the fact that there were people on call who they could actually bounce off questions and ideas about it, and ये बहुत rare है to find that whole team together working on your healthcare. That's very important. Yes.
Correct. Lekin, Rachna ji, I'm going to ask you a question with regard to why is it important for our seniors to actually be paying attention to their diet specifically? Because I know many of our seniors, I've heard stories from some of my friends where they've had to hide the bhujia packets, and they've got to stop buying those bhajis and bondas and stuff like that from the store. So talk to us a little bit about the importance of that.
Yeah, so I know, nutrition has always been a very important part of anybody, but especially more for the seniors, because as we age, nutrition becomes even more important. We need to make sure, and during these COVID times, even more so, wherever I read articles on CNN all the time, and I always come across these articles which again and again mention that to have your immunity better, your diet should be the best. Like, you have to make sure that your body gets enough nutrition on a daily basis, where you're able to get the nutrition from each of the food groups that your body wants. Like, our body needs a variety of vitamins and minerals, which we get from a variety of fruits and vegetables. So I think, and then as we age, we are also prone to getting more diseases with aging. But if we pay more attention to our diets, I think a lot of those things can be prevented. So I think it's very important to pay attention to what you put inside your body.
So I would ask you, I've been, it's been bothering me since the last segment we spoke to also, right? जब मैं कोई बुजुर्ग से मिलता हूँ, हमारे जो अंकल्स एंड आंटीज एंड ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स जनरली क्या कहते हैं कि अरे हमारे देसी खाने में बहुत सारा न्यूट्रिशन है, blah blah blah, they give me all that stuff. My question to you is, have you faced that thing? And second thing is, how do you assess the nutrition need of a person who's been in this world longer than us, of course, obviously, and you go back and tell them अरे ये मत खाओ. How do you assess that? कैसे करते हैं आप? If you can share something.
उसके लिए, so basically to help the seniors or any other person who needs a dietitian's advice, the way I do it is, first I always start with looking at what's their age, what's their height and weight, because every individual is different. It's their own identity. They have their own body type, in the sense like they are a small, medium, or heavy build. So we have all those kinds also. So from a dietitian perspective, I always look at their height, weight, and age, and if they are having chronic illnesses. So based on that, I'm able to calculate how much caloric intake is advisable for a person of this age and height and weight, and साथ में उनको कितना प्रोटीन चाहिए, कितना फैट चाहिए. So वो कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद जब हम वो कैलकुलेट करते हैं, and then I use a different food groups that are important for someone's body, and based on their medical illness, if there is anything I need to be taking care of, that because he has this, I'll make sure that I am taking care of that also. But first, to answer your question, I think the height, weight is very important with the age of the person, so that we can individually plan a diet plan for that particular person to help them. And it's not always like, you cannot eat that. There are so many things which you should include in your diet. Is also very important. So when you're paying attention or more focus on what you need also, and then sometimes if you're paying more attention on that, you will forget कि आपको क्या नहीं खाना है. So there are various ways to handle it, I think, but the bottom line is that it's very important to see what you're putting inside your body, I think. So it's very important to have more nutrition and more calorie dense food.
Okay.
So, I want to ask you, how do you? It's one thing to give them advice, right? But how do you make sure that they manage their diet? Because yesterday, Alto and myself were talking about my visit to the nutritionist and why I haven't seen so much success now over the past few weeks in losing the weight that I'm supposed to lose. And then I
That's because
realized,
you're not part of Unlock program.
yeah, because I'm not. It's not for me, by the way. I'm not a senior yet. So,
I know. Just kidding.
so I'm just saying, you get the advice, which is great, but how do you make sure that they follow that? Is there a way? Because it's kind of hard when they're older to be able to, if they're especially living by themselves. How do you make that happen?
Yeah, so I work one-on-one with them if that's the need. So if somebody is living by themselves, especially, so and we have the language lines to talk to them, because like either I talk in Hindi, but few of our participants are also Chinese or other languages, so we always have that language capacity to use. But I always try to, because what we do is that we see each of our participant every 6 months for their regular checkup by the whole team, and dietitian is part of that. And before that, we do a quarterly check-in. Like every 3 months, we check in their charts, like if there are any new labs that have come in, if there are anything, because with seniors, one thing is that there are not so many participants who would just go for the weight loss. That's
Correct.
not the only thing that we look into.
Correct.
We also look into like if they have other chronic illnesses like high blood pressure, diabetes. So they need to also follow a certain therapeutic diet, which is called the low concentrated sweets or low sodium diet or low
Right.
fat diet if they have any heart issues. So it's a combination. So based on that particular individual's medical status, and if he's overweight, if I have to look into that, I do try my best to motivate them by following up on them. And if I see that, if there is some weight gain in last 3 months, what's the reason? Is there any changes in their routine? So we do a quarterly and a 6-month check as it is. But if the doctor gives us a nutrition consult that this is what has changed with the participant based on my assessment, can the dietitian please follow up? So this is called a nutrition consult. To answer your question, I think if somebody is not following my advice, I think that was the question that you asked initially. So I'll definitely try to motivate and give them like, I can see you in 2 weeks based on their availability and if they are comfortable meeting with me. So I just try to do my best to have myself available to, give them the advice as needed based on their current weight status or the medical status.
Wonderful, like coaching them through the whole process. But my
Yeah.
question actually was regard to, in fact, I was thinking about one of the things I read on the website about the delivery of meals, home delivery of meals. So in that situation, because I can understand in a household which has, let's say, बुजुर्ग हैं and हम जैसे कुछ नौजवान लोग हैं, हम लोगों का palate जो है थोड़ा different होता है compared to the बुजुर्ग का palate. So making two different kind of things is difficult not. So my question actually was in terms of how do you assess if a senior requires home delivery of meals? How do they get qualified? What are the things you're looking for? And tell us a little bit about when do you prescribe home delivery of meals for people? थोड़ा उसके बारे
Okay.
में.
Yeah, so home delivered meals we do for seniors, especially for them who are not especially for somebody, but for all of our seniors, the criteria that we use to see if they qualify for this is, one is that, we see that if they are capable enough themselves to go out of the home, do grocery shopping, are able to cook themselves. If they are not, we look for the family, if they have a family support. If family is around, I know like if they have younger, as you said, if they have younger kids at home and they are cooking differently, and still if they feel that the participant who is senior is not able to cook himself, we definitely are there to cater to them, to the meals based on their therapeutic needs.
Okay.
Because we do cater the low sodium, low sugar diet for them. And we have our main kitchen in San Francisco, which is called the G Kitchen. And that kitchen does meal preparation on a daily basis.
Okay.
And we get the meals from them to deliver to our participants. And the other thing that could be like, if somebody, like we have a lot of cases like, people are just cooking themselves, they don't need our help. but sometimes they fall. They have a change in their physical ability. They are not able to cook anymore. Their family is with them, but all of a sudden they have some changes in their family setting, and then their loved ones are not able to cook for them anymore. So whenever such scenarios happen, we always look into that, and we discuss that as a team, as I mentioned about IDT. So our criteria is to look for those things, but then the dietitian needs to bring that up to the IDT so that we have a review of like what's going on, so that everybody understands, and then they give their opinion, and then that's how we decide if somebody is eligible, and then we start the service for them.
Wonderful.
Well, Rachna ji, it sounds incredible, the kind of support that you provide to our seniors to maintain a healthy lifestyle or to regain a vitality in their lifestyle through their diet, and also the other services that you provide as part of your IDT at Onlock Pace. So we want to thank you for taking the time and explaining this to us today. And बंधुजन जो भी सुन रहे हैं, अगर आप इस wonderful service का फ़ायदा उठाना चाहते हैं, तो this is made possible to seniors in California, people who are about the age of 55. If you want to find out if you're eligible, if you're listening to us right now, or for that matter, if you are somebody who's a family member or a friend of somebody who has a senior in the home and you're listening to this and you think that they could avail of this program, please give them a call, 1-855-308-0195, 1-855-308-0195. Once again, 1-855-308-0195 to get more information about this particular program. Rachna ji, really great talking to you. Hope to talk to you again sometime in the near future. Thank you for what you're doing, and thanks to Onlock for all the wonderful service that you're providing to our community. Have a good
You're
one.
most welcome, and thank you for having me. Bye-bye.